Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you what Felties I have left. I had thousands of these, but this is what I have left now. So I thought I'll just share it with you guys. Also, I want to do a giveaway. It's going to be theme. So since we're in fall, it's going to be fall theme and then mixed with a little bit of Halloween and then Christmas and so on and so forth. But before that, let's check out what I have left. Okay, so I have these in Ziploc bags. I have some animals here. I have some random characters, medical stuff. These are perfect, by the way, if you don't know what felties are used for. They're perfect for badge rails. You can use them to decorate like your magnets. You can use them to make what do you call that, bookmark. Put them on a paper clip or glue them on a paper clip. You can also make headbands out of these, hair bows, hair clips. Yeah, there's so many things you can do with these felties. They are embroidered vinyl. Some of them I have a little bit of just plain felt, like this one here, the CNA, that's just all felt embroidered on. We got some more medical, some mouse, Mickey Mouse, some baby Yodas, some aliens. I used to have a lot of pre-cuts. I don't think they got packed at all. Got some of those here. I know I have a lot more. I had a lot more pre-cuts, but I guess they didn't make it. Some more animals, miscellaneous movies, frogs, Grinch, vegetables, food. That one would be perfect for fall. That one right there. Here's some more. This one is mixed with some holiday stuff, Halloween, Valentine's Day, Mardi Gras. Here's some more mixed with words on them. Here we have some Maleficent inspired heart, genie, carpet. Ooh, my favorite. Squid Games. If you don't know what badge roll is, it's this one here. Let's pick this one. That's a badge rail. This is the swivel. There's one that's just the clip-on, slide-on. It doesn't spin around. I have those. I'm also going to be doing a giveaways on badge rolls soon. It's probably going to go first before the Felty giveaway. And we have some bow shapes here in various colors. Some more food and fruits. We have bacon. We have pineapple. More Halloween stuff. More Halloween stuff. This one, by the way, here, you guys, it glows in the dark. I don't know if it still does, but yeah, they just need to be charged. Some envelopes, boxes. Got some more here. And there's some hearts, mermaid print. And last two bags. This one is mixed as well. And then the last tiny one. There you go. So that's all the felties I have left. Cool. Cool. I lost a bunch, but it is what it is. So yeah, I thought I'll just show you guys what I have left as for Felties. And if you want to see the ribbons I have, I can make a video of that one as well. Just let me know. So yeah, again, don't forget, we're going to be doing a Felty giveaway soon. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you could like this video, that would be awesome. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.